Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Docker Desktop on macOS with Apple Silicon. Complete guide step by step clearly. Download the Docker Desktop installer for macOS from the official Docker website. Locate the downloaded .dmg file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the .dmg file to open it. In the window that appears, drag the Docker icon into your Applications folder. Open your Applications folder and locate the Docker application. Double-click the Docker application to start the installation process. You may see a window prompting you to enter your password. Enter your macOS user password and click OK. Once Docker Desktop starts, it will ask for permission to access system files. Click Open System Preferences to grant the necessary permissions. In the Security and Privacy window, click the Lock. Enter your password again to unlock the settings. Enable the checkbox next to Docker to allow it access to system files. Close the Security and Privacy window. Docker Desktop will restart automatically after you grant permissions. Once it's running, you'll see the Docker whale icon in your menu bar. Click on the whale icon to open the Docker Desktop user interface. Follow any additional prompts that may appear for initial setup. You can verify that Docker is installed correctly by opening the terminal. Type Docker version and hit Enter to check the installed version. To run your first container, type Docker run hello world and press Enter. Docker will download the hello world image and run it. If you see a success message, congratulations, you have successfully installed Docker Desktop on macOS with Apple Silicon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.